How to get stuff done when you're depressed. I like starting my day by exercising. I feel like every time I exercise, that motivates me throughout the whole day. I start by doing a couple of easy exercises, and then before I know, I end up doing the whole workout. Then I do the laundry and go grocery shopping because when I come back, the clothes are washed. Then I clean the living room and the kitchen and start my meal prep. As you can see, every Sunday everything I do is pretty much the same. I think having a routine is one of the keys to breaking through your depression. It doesn't matter how I feel, I know I have to accomplish my list and everything has to be ticked off by the end of the day. You have to create these habits to trick your mind, as if you keep letting your mind control you, you won't get anything done. Don't make huge lists that you can't complete. Always remember to take things one small task at a time. I keep telling myself that one day of me being focused is going to make my whole week easier. That's why it doesn't matter how I feel on Sundays, I make sure I'm prepared for the whole week. Don't make your life complicated. Keep it super simple. Even the meals that I prepare are very similar, quick, easy, and tasty. If you need encouragement, drop me a note in the comments. Also, let me know how you go in smashing through your depression or even just procrastination. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll see you next Friday. Bye!